Okay, we're standing in the first floor area, and this is an open area. Is all secured, but it's an open area, and this is where all the amenities are. So we're going to start with going to the fitness center. It's over here. Let's walk in. So it is key fob protected. So we're in the fitness center, and my initial impression is it's very long. There's a lot of equipment here, and it's a really long fitness center. So let's explore this a little bit. Looks like we have a shoulder arm machine over there. We've got some presses that are over here, so good press. If you get a bench, kind of bench press, chest press in there. You've got a bench in here, and then it looks like you've got some leg, these are some leg press, leg machines in there, so that's good. The very end here is, okay, I always love it. This is really hard to have here. So when they have this, where you can do lat pulls and other things here, I'm really impressed when they have that. So I love that they have it here, and because that's a really large machine to have. So that's good. Over here, it looks like they have 3 treadmills. They did have a bike machine over here, so 3 treadmills. And then they have some kind of, walking machines, if you would, walking machines, and then they have 2 more treadmills here. So it looks like 5 treadmills total. So this is a cardio gym, and with a little bit of light equipment over here too, to get some more chest and leg kind of things accomplished. So one thing I also want to note too is literally right outside your door that's the LA Fitness. So I mean, for me, this would be enough. I might be lacking a couple things, but this would be enough. But for some people, maybe they need more specialized, and they could go right over there to LA Fitness and add things like maybe some heavy weights or things like that. So that's the gym at the 2660. Now let's explore some more amenities.